There's been a lot of good questions asked already before the course started, but one of the things I wanted to bring to your attention is the capstone project. The topics that you guys are picking are very good, don't get me wrong, but you got to narrow it down a little bit to what type of thing you want to do. Somebody just said sprinkler systems. Well, there's a big whole array of sprinkler systems. Are you looking at the high pressure sprinkler systems out there today? Are you looking at residential sprinklers? So be a little more definitive where you want to go in your research. If you want to do a glossary of all the sprinkler systems and give pros and cons and make that part of your research problem, I think that's great. So just keep those things in mind. Um, all the assignments you will find are in discussion board. Please use that first. Do not get all balled up with the assignment tab in your thing. In fact, I'd like to cancel that out because I put all your assignments in discussion board and they're dated so that you know when they're due. One of the big things is in the announcements, I wanted to clarify some things there. I've cleaned out in the fire protection side and also on the building side some of the past announcements. One of the things I wanted to do from class to class is build in the announcements different things that we've talked about to help you in understanding what you may run into. The big thing is now when you're looking at fire protections, chapter 1, Maurice Jones writes this book, and it's a good book, but at the same time, it gets into a lot of different minute details. You're going to be going in chapter 2, we're going to be talking about how codes came about. You're going to be in chapter 1, starts about some basic principles of fire protection, so on and so forth. But as we get deeper along, I'll be asking you questions back in your homework assignments about what did this mean. It's not that I'm trying to be difficult, I'm just trying to bring to your attention that these are important things in your fire protection assignments. So there's 2 courses that I run, building construction is one of them, and that. Now, just in case you don't understand, sometimes I'll put an announcement out and I will put an assignment with it in regards to maybe a major fire where there was deaths involved and the sprinkler system didn't operate right, something like that. Those are on the sporadic or as they come available to us all, okay? So I'm not looking about how the firefight went, I'm looking about the details of fire prevention, so, and fire protections, excuse me. So if you have any questions, I want you to call me. Please do. Phone number is 513-615-3768. I hope you enjoy this semester. We'll have good interaction. I try to give you feedback on everything. If it's a simple, challenging question, sometimes I'll just say good response because the answers are straightforward. So if it's a discussion question, you'll get some feedback from me. If there's anything else, let me know. The capstone project is something that you need to look at ahead of time and start putting your thoughts together. And as you move that along, you got questions, by all means, call me. I want you to do very well in this class. Thank you.